We have to find the vertex of the graph of the equation. We have given quadratic function. We know that the graph of quadratic function is parabola. Parabola can be open up or open down. Everything depends from coefficient before x squared. If a is greater than 0, positive, then we have parabola open up, and this is our vertex. When a is less than 0, then our parabola is open down, and this is our vertex. In this example, we have given function x squared minus 1. So let me remind you general form of quadratic function. This is y is equal a x squared plus bx plus c. A is coefficient before x squared, b coefficient before x, and c is constant. In our example, we don't have coefficient before x squared. It means is invisible 1. So a is equal 1. Because we don't have here expression with x, it means that the coefficient before x is 0. Let me rewrite this equation. We can write that this is equal x squared plus 0x, because we don't have expression with x, and we have negative 1. So now we see that b is equal 0. And constant is our c. So this is negative 1. We have to find the vertex. So we need to find the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate of our vertex. In our example, a is positive, so this is our parabola. We need to find this point. When we have general form of quadratic equation, the coordinates of the vertex are: first coordinate is negative b over 2a, and the second coordinate is value f of negative b over 2a. So we see that first, to find coordinates of vertex, we need to have BA, because BA repeats for the x-coordinate and for the y-coordinate. And when we have BA, we can find x-coordinate. When we have x-coordinate, we can calculate the y. So first, we will find the x-coordinate. We have A, B, and C. So A, x. This is our, let me write, this is our vertex. The first coordinate is always x, the second is y. So we need to find x, y. X, first coordinate is negative b over 2a. This is formula. So now we have to substitute to our formula. B, we have given that this is 0. So negative 0 is 0. We had negative sign before 0, so, but it's still 0. And we have 2 times 1, because a is 1. So this is equal 0 over 2. This is equal 0. So we have first coordinate. Next, we have to find the y-coordinate of our vertex. So to find y-coordinate, we need to find the value of our function for our x. We found that x is equal 0. So this is our formula. Y is equal x squared minus 1. So now we need to substitute every x in our formula by 0. So we will have 0 to second power. This is our formula minus 1. So this is equal 0 to second power is 0 minus 1 is negative 1. So we found x and we have y. So coordinates of our vertex 0, negative 1. This is my solution.